Welcome to our advanced charting tutorial. We'll use the HRC rebar price spread, a key indicator of manufacturing versus construction demand in China, to demonstrate how to build powerful charts. I've pulled up these two datasets on the screen for our demonstration. First, the default y-axis is too broad, flattening our curves. Click the settings icon to customize the y-axis range. Let's set the minimum value to 3,000 and the maximum to 4,000. Defining these values will magnify the price movements. And now the trends appear much clearer and more pronounced. Next, let's change how we view this data. You can change the chart type for all datasets at once using these icons. We have line, bar, area, and stacked bar charts. You are also able to modify them individually in the data panel. For example, let's select the rebar price series and change its display to bar chart, while keeping the HRC price as a line. For now, we'll keep both as lines. You can use the high-low latest buttons to quickly see key values for any time period. Drag the divider between the chart and data panel to give the trends more room, or click the full screen button for a focused view. Now, let's visualize the spread itself. Method 1. Click Add Calculated Data, subtract rebar price from HRC price, name it HRC rebar spread, and set the unit to yuan per ton. Then we can plot this new spread as an area chart for emphasis. Method 2. Use the dedicated Spread tool. Select your benchmark dataset, rebar, then your counter dataset, HRC. The platform automatically calculates and displays the difference. Now, if you want to see a year-over-year chart of rebar prices over the past 5 years, simply select the YOY chart option here, then select rebar. Let's set the y-axis to a custom range. We'll set the minimum to 3,000 and the maximum to 6,500. If you notice some gaps in the data lines, these typically represent weekends and public holidays when markets are closed, not data errors or issues. What's particularly useful for analyzing China's market is our unique Align to Chinese New Year feature. This special tool helps you compare seasonal patterns centered around the Chinese New Year according to lunar calendar, which is crucial for understanding cyclical trends in China's commodity markets. Once your analysis is complete, use the multi-view to see all your charts together. To share them, grab the Embed code to generate an interactive iframe. This allows you Embed Live, updating charts directly into your own website. Finally, let me briefly show you stacked bar charts using another set of data. I've pulled up iron ore inventory data for Qingdao, Rizhao, Caofeidian, and Jingtang ports. Notice when I switch to stacked bar view, we can immediately see the total inventory across all these ports. But what if we want to compare specific port groupings? Let's say we want to see Qingdao and Rizhao versus Caofeidian and Jingtang. Simply drag these port groups to different axes in the settings panel. Now we have a clear comparison between these two port groupings. When you hover over the bars, you'll see the exact total values for each group displayed in the tooltip, making it easy to compare the overall inventory between regions. We hope these tips help you get the most value from DataBuffet and understand the market stories behind it. My Steel Commodity DataBuffet, your seamless gateway to first-hand China commodity data.